Hello students. So how are you doing during these lockdown days? I think apart from your lockdown days, you are also utilizing sometimes in your studies, right? Okay. First of all, let me ask you some questions. Okay, tell me how many teachers are there in your school? So you definitely know it, isn't it? 10. Okay. Next, what is the name of your district? So all of you know the answer. It is Tinsukia. So who is the Prime Minister of India? Then who is the Chief Minister of Assam? So all of you definitely know the answer. So I need not have to tell you the answer. Who is the Health and Education Minister of Assam? So all of you nowadays, you all are watching TV and have seen the Health and Education Minister very busy during these days. So you definitely know the answer, right? Okay. So all these things I have asked you is just to test your knowledge. That means what? তাৰ মানে তোমালোকে কিমান জানা এইবোৰ তোমালোকে সদায় শুনি থাকা হয় না নহয় সো হেবোৰ তোমালোকে কিছুমান কথা জানা ওকে সো আমাৰ স্কুলত কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্নবোৰ সোধা হয় না নহয় কম্পিটিশনছবোৰ হয় না নহয় ডেফিনেটলি হয় সো এইবোৰকে কি কোৱা হয় তেতিয়া কি কৰা হয় তেতিয়া আমাৰ হেতু কি বুলি কয় হেতু কোৱা হয় কুইজ দ্যাট মিন্স আমি খেলি খেলিয়ে আমি ধেমালি বা হেৰি কৰি আমি কি কৰোঁ আমি জ্ঞান অৰ্জন কৰোঁ সো ইয়াকে কোৱা হয় ইংলিছত কুইজ A quiz is a form of game or competition in which someone tests your knowledge by asking question. So কোনোবাটো তোমাক question সুধিবৰ কাৰণে থাকিব লাগিব so somebody must be there to ask you the question then only you will be able to answer. So it is just testing your knowledge between individuals or teams as a form of entertainment. So entertainment mane hol ami furti koriye ami kisuman knowledge test kora hoy. Kisuman ketiaba hoy individually ba ketiaba amar ki hoy team hisabot hoy. So definitely amar school bot ami group bur bhag kori diu tate naam dia hoy tata group ok hoy na na hoy. So yat so tumalokor lesson ot so now today we'll do the lesson 3 quiz time okay so quiz time ot likha ase yat explore India yat kisuman tumalko explore India means ami aha aji India bikhoy janu India kot kot ki ase tar bikhoy kune kiman jane all right so yat eta tumalke picture dekhisa so you can see there are how many groups are there? A, B, C, D and E. So total 5 groups. So you can see a lady and a quiz master sitting there and a scorer near the scoreboard. Scoreboard also there is a lady as a teacher as a june score likhibo. Alright. So now let's start the lesson. Okay. So prothomate etia teneke line by line bujabole sake dikdar hobo tothapi let me try it so host june host kori ase june koi ase tai is saying good morning everybody I am Anjali Das I am an assistant teacher of this school so juntu school ot competition to bata hoise hekon school ot she is an assistant teacher and she is the host today. A very warm welcome to this state level school quiz competition. So tumaloke janeke goisila state level February mahot goisila sage state level school quiz competition join koribole tat tumaloke enaka poribek paisa. Our contestants have come from all over the state. So tumaloko the district or hosile but here state or hokolo state or pra ahise okay 5 school teams from the 5 zones of the state with 2 members in each team. So in each team tumaloke ya picture dekhisa je in each team eta team ot kejon ke bohise dujon ke all right so 2 participants are there with 2 members in each team have reached this selection phase so agote heto school ot hoy gol district level ot hoy gol tar pisot etia যোনবোৰ সিলেক্ট হ'ল ইহঁতি এতিয়া ষ্টেট লেভেলত গৈছে only one school team from this will be selected to represent Assam in the national school quiz competition to be held in New Delhi next month so এতিয়া district over goal district over goal play state level of গৈছে the state over কি কৰিব ইয়াৰ পৰা national school quiz competition which will be held in New Delhi next month at কৈছে যে যোনটো New Delhi হ'ব তাত যোনে সিলেক্ট হ'ব তেওঁলোকেহে যাব পাৰিব they will be able to go there we have with us today the renowned quiz master of the state Mr. P.K. Barua who has consented to conduct the quiz so quiz competition চলাবলৈ গ'লে আমাক কি লাগিব quiz master তোমালোকে পিকচাৰ দেখিছা quiz master এজন আছে so what is his name is Mr. P.K. Barua তোমালোকক যদি সুধে if you are asked that who was the quiz master তেতিয়া কি কবা Mr. P.K. Barua okay so let us welcome Mr. Barua with a big round of applause so সবে সকলোৱে তালি মাৰিলে এতিয়া ছাৰক welcome কৰিছে okay so teams may I now request you to introduce yourself so সকলো টিমে নিজৰ introduction দিছে team A tab team A B C D E so কেটা টিম হল 1 2 3 4 5 so there were 5 teams okay so 5 teams are with us sobe nijan introduction dise the first one was I am Arnab Gohai and this is my partner Dipali Chhetri so Arnab Gohai team 8 ase tat dekhisa tar logot bohi ase joni swali and her name is Dipali Chhetri we are representing the east zone and we are from CR school Tinsukia so they are representing the east zone and they are from CR school Tinsukia এখন স্কুলৰ নাম CR school তেখেতলোকে তাৰ পৰা ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে ঠিক তেনেকৈ টিম বি ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস themselves we are Rehana Sultan and Pahidas from Tezpur Academy Sonitpur so team B introduction দিলে নিজকে কোন আছিল তাত Rehana Sultan and Pahidas from Tezpur Academy Sonitpur so we represent the north zone so they are representing the north zone in the same way team C my name is Himani Majumdar and my friend's name is Samiran Ghosh so Himani Majumdar and her friend's name is Samiran Ghosh and they are from school HS School Kamrup Metro so ours is the central zone so their zone is central zone okay so from team D Namita Sinha and her partner is Rita Dole and they are representing RKM School Kachar alright so they are representing from the south zone and from team E Hazrat Ali and his partner is Rajan Kalita so they are from government HS School Barpeta and they are representing the west zone alright so all of them have given their introduction and how many teams are there and from how many zones so we can say that 1 2 3 4 5 zones and 5 teams alright so now it is the turn of the host thank you all the best for the quiz now let me introduce our scorer today so scorer mane june yat boardot dekhisa boardot likhibo laibo kune kiman score korise ha na so she is Arpana a class 12 student of the organizing school so she is a student of class 12 and she is the scorer today it's time now for the real action over to our respected quiz master sir so now she is there the host is saying that it is time for the quiz now the score master is also ready to write down the score and the quiz master will now ask questions so I hope yaloke tumaloke buji paisa hoine nohoy